Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends. First of all, just open up the Play Store or App Store in your mobile and in the search bar, search for Messenger and make sure that you are using the latest version of Messenger application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version and then just go back, go to your phone settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on this app management, click on app list and here search for Messenger and then tap on it. Now what you have to do is just click on this storage and cache and tap on this clear cache and you have to tap on this clear data also. After this just go to this permissions and make sure that you allow all the permissions to the Messenger application like this. So just allow all the permissions to the Messenger application and then go back again and check that if your problem is solved or not, and if it still doesn't solve, then what you can do is you can simply restart your mobile, and after restarting just go to the Messenger application and after restarting your problem will be solved. And if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can simply just log out to the Messenger application. You can simply log out to the Messenger application and log in again and your active friends will be shown like this. So that's it for this video. That's how you can fix Messenger not showing active friends. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.